IT professionals and back pain. IT profession is a attractive profession for the new age and the younger generation. Often this comes with an unwanted invitation of back pains. Because majority of the people who works in related to IT have to sit long hours and have to complete the task in fixed time. This make them sit long hours even though they need to move around. They have to complete the task. So that will come with stiffening of back and weakening of back muscles because stretching or the position of the back will be the same for multiple long hours. As they are focusing, their brain is focusing in some activity in the screen. They have to sit and align because eye also is much needed to fix the concentration. This causes the back area muscles to support them in that positioning the body. Over the years or over the months, this will cause muscle stiffness and rigidity of the muscle and what the muscles action flexibility is much lowered and they feel catches. They feel that something heavy in the back. But simple remedy is that if we walk around and if we stretch the muscles and give some simple oil massage, it will help. But usually IT people, even though after long advices also, their job is in such a way that they have to meet the fixed target and they need to sit. Such people, I am recommending them to do weekly Ayurvedic massage. Ayurvedic oil massage is nutritional and much helpful in increasing the blood circulation and thereby relieving the water retention from the body. Ayurveda therapy called Kili, Kodikili, Pilchil, Piju, lot of Ayurvedic therapies is much beneficial for this back pain and related complaints.